Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the 256 gigabyte version. The model number is MGCN3LL/A. This is the Pacific Blue color. It looks beautiful with the blue color. So they have the iPhone right now under this paper cover. Let's take a look at the difference. So they're going with they're going back to a more squarish defined edge and a chrome finish all around. Speaker at the bottom. Still have the lightning adapter. For some reason there's 4 holes here and there's 6 holes here. Not sure what this is for right here. Just a little different color. This is the power button. And on this side, we still have the do not disturb or the turn off ringer. Volume up, volume down. And of course, this particular phone has 3 cameras. The LED light. And I'm not sure what that sensor is right there. So overall, this is feels quite heavy and but very, very solid. The back, well, this phone is a fingerprint magnet. Everywhere that you touch, as you can see, it's just leaving fingerprint everywhere. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. As you guys may know, Apple has decided to not include power adapters anymore. But at least they still include a pin to open the SIM card, which is on the left side now, right there. So they have this pin right here. I guess instruction manual, a sticker, and they put all this inside this pocket here. Kind of hard to put it back in. Okay, and then they have a USB-C instead of a typical USB connector. You have this USB-C connector that goes to a lightning adapter now. So this is a cable that I guess eventually it will happen. Everything else is just going to be USB-C in the future. So I'm surprised that Apple still hold on to lightning adapter even with iPhone 12. I figured that by this time it could have been just USB-C to USB-C just to be compatible with a lot of things, but it looks like they held on to the lightning adapter. Oh, there's nothing else. This is it right here. There's nothing else in the box. The box to me actually looks kind of ugly in comparison to the previous boxes. I don't know why this one is black and yeah, so nothing to it. Let's put it back all together. The iPhone goes down like so, and there's a little indentation here where it will fit the camera, and it just goes over it like that and make a very compact box. Well, that's it, folks. Unboxing of the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. 256 in blue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.